What's up, my home seller clients? It's Rex, and in this video I want to talk to you about what's the best time to sell your home. If that's something you're interested in learning about, stick around. So what's the best time to sell your home? I mean, I guess in terms of months, the best time to sell your home is when you got to sell your home. That's all there is to it. If you got to sell, you got to sell. Well, for whatever reason, then that's the best time to sell. Nothing you can do about it. That's when you need to sell. But if you have your flexibility and this kind of stuff, I mean, there's a couple months that are, typically better or worse than others. Typically, July is one of the slowest months, and everybody's on vacation. So maybe don't put your house on the market right in July. Maybe wait until August or September or middle of September. December, the holidays. I mean, it's kind of nice because there's not as many homes competing sometimes during December. So maybe you'll be one of those few people who have their home on the market, and then you'll have the benefit of controlling the market. Now in January and February, more homes start coming on the market. So, typically it's those months, July and December, people, and maybe the very beginning of January, let's let it settle down, kids get into school and this kind of stuff, January 15th or something like that. Great time from there on out to put your house in the market all the way up until June or whatever. So whenever you're ready to sell, that's when you got to sell. Whenever you need to sell, that's when you need to sell. And if you can avoid a few of those little months, then okay, do that. So let's talk about market conditions. Let's say the market's going up. I mean, that's good, right? Because your house is worth more every single day as the market's going up. Now, the house you're going to be buying is also worth more every single day. So that might be a little bit of a challenge, right? Because now what? You sell your home. If you leave it on the market for, 3 months as you're trying to sell your home and get every dime out of it and all this kind of stuff, then that home that you're buying, if you're buying a move-up property, even a move-down property, they're all going up, right, at that time. So really the trick is to, in that case, try to get the home you're going to buy in escrow. Now, many people don't want to put it in escrow because they want to make sure that you've already sold your house, and there'll probably be other people competing for that home and everything else. So if you can get into that home first and lock it down, get it in escrow, then you can sell your home. Maybe they'll give you a month or something like that. Or you could buy your home and rent your house, right? So that way you're still capturing appreciation as the market's going up and someone else is paying off your mortgage for you while you're living in this other house and the appreciation is going up. That's the best way to do it if you're able to, if you don't need the money from the one house to the next one. If the market's depreciating, going down every single day, your house is worth less every single day, right? Now the house you're going to be buying is also worth less every single day, right? So they're both going down. If you're not buying another house, then you just want to get out of that house as quickly as possible. You want to get under the market a little bit and lock in a buyer who's going to stay there even as the market continues to slide. And that's the best way to sell a house during the declining market. Now, if you're buying a home and you're selling a house during a declining market, that's a bummer, but not really, because it's all the same, right? You're just basically transferring your equity either way the market's going. But you want to, in that case, lock in a buyer on your sale, right, as quickly as possible. So get under the market, get your buyer locked in, and sell that house, and maybe even put in there, it's contingent on, well, you don't want to do a contingency. You just want to just sell it, right? You want to get under the market and sell it as quickly as possible, because otherwise it's just losing value every single day. So if you're shooting for some super high price in a declining market, you're just losing, like it's over, forget it. Like take it off the market, because that market's still declining and you're going to be chasing the market, If you start dropping your price $1,000 every month, you're just, and it's dropping $5,000, you're just chasing it down the whole time. So don't do that. And we have all the ways to sell your home, whether the market's going up or down, still get you maximum market value. And we'll talk to you about it if you're looking to buy a house while you're selling your house, depending on the market conditions. So give us a call and we'll take care of it for you either way. Best time to sell a house when you got to sell a house. There you go. That's the bottom line. And the way to do it, well, that just depends on where the market's going. So give us a call if you're ready to sell your house regardless of market conditions and you still want to get maximum market value for it. Call me right now and we'll be over there tomorrow. And we'll have your home sold next week. Well, I don't know. We could. It's better if we have a little more time than that, because I want to get all the stuff prepared. But that's it for this video. We'll see you at your house.